Alright. Should be good to get started. Oh, I'm a bit too high up. Aren't I? The three emojis there, Grace, kind of look like it's some kind of three-headed beast. One of them is conniving. You know? Like Cerberus or something. So, yes, it's me. So what we need is kinda just to figure out what we're doing. And I want to make a Discord bot. We're going to search how to make a Discord bot. Not how to search. Because I was saying the word search. So we're going to look for some suggestions. 2 or 3 times I make you feel happy. 1/3 time, good idea. Okay, you're so silly. But I suppose that's not a bad system. Let me see. Vibration customization. We have this. We know this. We have Python. Discord.py, huh? Let's see if we... this could be written by AI. In that case, Discord.py would not exist. You excited for me tonight? Why is that? Try making this bot? Oh, yeah. It looks like it's working. So that's good. For the Python library. If I can write this in Python, that's really nice. That's really nice. Alright, so... You're sure it'll be delightful to stream? And Johanna says, Blorf! Very fun. Alright, let's see. We have Python, we have a folder. Yeah, we did already go pip install Discord. So we're going to see about new file, Python file. What Discord? Yeah. Hang on. I did just install it, so. Alright, let's see. If I open up a terminal here. Python was the shortest installing code sniff, but you love to see it. Let me see, where's the terminal? Why don't I see it? Sure. Pip install Discord. Already satisfied. Okay. Then... let me see. The problem... fix... Fine. Whoops. Thought that would be the smaller version. We're trying to import the Discord packages. Let me see. I'm just gonna Google what they're called. Discord.py. Because this will tell me how it's supposed to be installed. We've installed... We have more people here who should name my PFP. I agree. It's a fun one. Also, hi, my PFP. Absolutely, hello. Is this different? No, that's the same. Okay. I feel like they've been here pretty much every time though. Maybe you guys just have been dodging each other? Yeah, so I'm supposed to be able to just import Discord. So maybe I just need to close and reopen VS Code. It's possible that VS Code just has no idea what I'm talking about yet. named the file import discord.py. That's so silly. You may also be crazy. Oh, you never know. You never know at all, huh? We're gonna call this just main.py. Anything's not familiar. It sure is, it sure is. So... it's kind of odd. Let me double check what it says here. Python 3-m pip install -u. This is kind of normal. Yeah, but at the same time, Grace, there's an average set of hours that are good to sleep at. While we're scoffing. Yeah, Discord. Let's try that one. Ah, gotcha. I'm gonna go break system packages. Like so. Okay. Oh, but now VS Code can see it. I don't know what necessarily changed. You sleep 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Well, Grace, you're kind of nocturnal then, aren't you? That's pretty neat. Saying that's what you did yesterday? Wow. I hope you guys are getting at least the right number of sleep hours, right? That seems good. Okay. Yeah, 1.5 hours of sun during the winter. Oh boy. It sure looks to me as one does, So this is like an example, right? You get paid more for night? Gotcha. It looks to me like it's a lot similar to the other bot. It's a lot less work. So we'd go from discord.txt import commands. This is actually really similar to the Twitch Python libraries so far, which is good. We're just going to copy these. I don't see why not, right? We're gonna farm and spend my entire night making sure that you're so silly. I mean cats. Sure. So I'm gonna put things over here for a second because I need to work with a secret. Right? Which I can't really show on stream. So it'll just be one quick moment with that. Alright. And then, which thing is it that I need? Let's see. Well, you don't trust us with your secret.txt? No, I do not. Thank you very much. Let's see. Trying to figure out what I still need. Under the bot section, you click on copy. Okay, Bot. Let's see. My life insurance is in my homeless best friend's name. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately I do have to keep this a secret, so I can't show you guys. Alright, and then I am quite literally just making it secret.txt for while we're on stream, right? But it will be something better later. Pretty sure I can make it environment variables, so that'll be fine. Let's see. Send messages. Messages and threads. History. Alright. That should be enough for now. I'm gonna start putting my life insurance in Mim's names. If I die, she's a suspect. Oh no, that's mean to me. Let's see. Then, I am gonna start out by just copying what's here, right? Because I might as well. Oh, hi, Sharky. Good to see you. Thank you, thank you. A lot of people have said I've been doing very good today. Gonna put you in your box. So there needs to be a dash. Hi. That goes like that. No, that's not that. This goes this. And then... Hey. Or he did. No, I didn't. Not at all, not at all. Why is this? What are these? Those are not actually hooks, you see. Put it back there. Yeah, I put you in the box, Sharky. Isn't that nice? And instead of this, let's see. So close to getting a meow. Oh, right, from you. From when I thought you meant me. Thank you, yes. Let's see. Print bot is online. Then context.send. When command. Instead, what do we want the prefix to be? Probably, I think I'd really like it if the bot prefix was something unique and special, you know? So what if we said we'll do made colon, or maybe we just have it be full robo made, like so. What are prefix parameters? I don't know if it can only be one character, but basically the command prefix is just like the character you put. You know how you put like a slash or something? I don't know if I'm allowed to do multiple characters. Well, it'd be fun, right? So we're gonna test it. Appbot.command. Wait. So it doesn't see. It seems like so we put our thing here. So we're going to do equals just you're doing computer magic? A little bit. So I'm going to open the file in read mode because we don't need to write to it. I'm going to say secrets equals secrets.read dot, and then bot.run. We just try this. Very skilled magician. Yeah. Let's see. Bot is online, it says. Okay. So let's try over in Discord. If I go... Okay, not quite. I wonder if it goes... Give me that's anything, type what you need in chat. Yeah, absolutely, I will. So let's see what the little tutorial suggests. Python, this. Oh, I see. I just forgot. So the reason it's not working is... Oh, thank you, you silly Johan. No. So the reason it's not working yet is because we haven't added the bot to our server. Right? The one I've been using is a webhook thing, so it's different. Select URL generator, okay. Then, in scopes check bot. Bot permissions, select permission your bots needs. So we need send messages, send messages in threads, read message history. That will be fine for now, I guess. We're going to go here and like this. Like so. Yes. Okay. Then, if I go and so look. Lurk is already leveled. Grace is absolutely right. You're super out of it right now, that's fine. So you can see that the RoboMaid is in the server now, right? If we go here and we type... Or, Aha! So you see it's done the thing. So that's the easy part, right? The question is gonna be... Then... Which one was it? We love the thing? Yeah. Because it took a second, right? So we're going to see if it's both or just one. Because what I'm seeing right now is that there's no command parameters here for like what command we're looking for. So I'm not sure if it's ping or just with it. So I think it's RoboMaid and then the command name. Yeah. Okay, Grace is being silly on the Discord, I see. But yeah, that does that. So it looks like the name of the command does the thing we want, right? If I turn this off, the bot should still be there, but so I'm actually curious. If we run it again, has that broken it? Grace says, hi viewers, it's me, Grace. So if I run it again with... Okay, yeah. So now the bot is on the server, and whatever changes we make to it, I just run the script again, and that will change it, which is good. That means we can add whatever we want now. Maybe I even put a space there. See if that works. That way it would look good. Oh, thank you guys. So this is the easy part, right? Because right now it works the exact same way as my Twitch bot does, right? And my Twitch bot only works when I activate it, right? Which is fine because stream isn't all the time. But a Discord bot could be needed at any time throughout the day, like morning, evening, or night. So that's why we might have to either put it on a Raspberry Pi that's always connected and always turned on, or we put it on a server somewhere, right? And either way works for me. A Raspberry Pi would be cheaper because I already have a Raspberry Pi. Just depends on what we want to do. Yeah? If you need a couple bucks a month, I gotcha. Maybe. It depends, because I don't know what the right solution is going to be for hosting it. And I might as well... Actually, hang on. Oh, never mind. I was thinking to myself possibly that I could run both bots on the same script. Well, it's probably better to keep them on different files, even if we run them at the same time. Well, now is when we try something. Now is when we try writing something interesting. So we can try appbot.command async def. Who are you? And then we want the context in there. Whoops. So that's CTX. And we await the context.send and the RoboMade. So we'll save that like that, and then we'll start it up again. Alright, and we'll see if it works. What I'm worried about is that if I do this too much, Discord might say, hey, are you some kind of nonsense maker? So if I try it like this, yeah, okay. So we can see over here. This is the prefix, so to run a command with the RoboMade, you do RoboMade :space, then the command name. Now, unfortunately, I can't put spaces into it, right? Or can I? I mean, I doubt it, right? Because these are function names. Yeah. So that's very, very convenient and easy. Twitch does. Yeah, most things care about what you type in. Because, spaces, like, white space characters, they usually are great for representing, like, separations of data. So on Twitch, for example, a space between the command and... a space between parts of the command represent different parameters. So the first part is the name of the command. You missed the message before. I think Discord doesn't really care too much if the bot is appropriate and doesn't cost them too much data. Right. The Twitch... Oh! I see. Gotcha. No, the problem is... what was I about to say? I don't know. It's not really Discord or Twitch that needs to worry much about the data. I mean, Discord might even care slightly more for reasons. I don't know. But then again, I never did, so... But yeah, now we can just make whatever commands we want happen, right? Now is when I want to figure out. Twitch has a 2-tier bot system or something and you have to get approved for the good version. Interesting. Discord also has something like that, except theirs is based you don't need approval on the Discord one until it reaches like 100 servers. So like if 100 other people install my bot to their thing, then it would start needing approval for things. What I want to test now is if we, whoops, that's not a colon place. So if we go and download a picture, can I have the bot upload pictures? Right? It's probably better if I just use one from my computer, right? Let's see. Which one would be good? I guess this one works. Copy. Paste. Yeah, so we're just going to do the profile picture. We're going to see if this works. We're going to close the bot. Then we're going to say probably better if I double check, right? Okay, more commands, okay, so that's all done. Probably won't need that. So let's see. And a Discord bot. Then pictures. Let's see. Send an image or GIF. Discord.file, huh? Okay. Gotcha. So interesting. Okay. So if we go back in and we do here with, let me double check, with open the picture with RB permissions. Hang on. Rename. We're gonna rename it like that just for convenience. Alright, we're gonna go cherry pick. And then with permissions RB as picture. Picture send. Okay, we'll do as F for file, like they've done there. Picture equals discord.file of F. So discord.file is a function that makes the file understood as this thing that's going to be uploaded to Discord. And then we do await channel.send. So I wonder if I can do ctx.send file equals. Let's try this. Let's try this. Alright. There. Oh yeah. Oh, it's shapepick.png. Whoops, my bad. Okay. Now, bots online. So nothing? Type module is not called. Huh? We'll close it. Here's what I'll do. I'll close these, and then I'll put these outside, right? Then if I go like that, then picture isn't being called, right? Because it's saying here, a type module isn't callable. So what I imagine is happening, yeah, module object is not callable. So when you call a function, that's different from assigning it to a variable, right? And it's because we're doing that as part of a function, it's being called, and it doesn't like that. I don't know all the things going on, I'm gonna be so honest. But if I put it out here, it might work better. So let's try it. Still no. Module object is not callable. Alright. Let's try. File equals discord.file typic.png. Right, so we see this. Channel.send with that file. Let's try like this maybe. Bots online. So if I try one more time with this. Oh-ho! So you see, now the bot can upload pictures. Nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good job, you on the lot. Yeah, yeah. So now pretty much the thing is up to us. What do we want the bot to do, right? We can do pretty much anything now. We can have it send any file we want, right? As long as I have it. Then we can have it send any message we want, right? So it's like, what do we want it to do? This is where we need suggestions, right? Could link the clip. Ah, fine. I'll just do whatever you guys tell. Is it this one? Discord bot, you've been thinking about making one too? Yeah, it's actually really easy. This is all the code, right? And then you just need to set up on Discord, right? The app. We're thinking of what commands to use. Grace, you might need to just let me know what, here, I know, I can, no, that one. You could shorten Robomade to RM, and you could add a command called R, Do something fun but meaningless with that girl. I agree. So, it looks like this is the one. Here, if I click here, copy link. We'll go bot.command, right? And then async, yeah. Yeah. So the thing, so Grace, Alright, when you say exclamation point, we can do exclamation point, right? But then it wouldn't have it be RoboMade before the message. And that's fine if that's what we wanted. Just clarifying that this is the prefix or the exclamation point is the prefix. It couldn't be both. I suppose it's much easier to just have an exclamation point, right? GX. Everyone's already been using exclamation point for the meme. Fair enough. So we're using QT there. We'll do await ctx dot send. Hang on. Like so. And then you'll respond as RoboMade every time it's fully recognized. Very true. I liked using RoboMade as a prefix so that it was fun to, like, talk to it, basically. But this way works too. This way absolutely works too. Oh, does Discord command autocompletes work out of the box? I don't think so. I don't think they do. Because if... It's not activated right now. But that would... I don't know how that works, you know? We will have to find out sometime. Here, I will just copy this one since those ones would also be just sending stuff, right? And here it's bad. Let's see. So what should I do? Oh, those commands are with slash? No, they're with the exclamation point. Or are you talking about the autofill commands? Let's see. The autofill ones used by other bots? Yeah. I don't think that makes a difference. You know, I don't think that makes a difference. Because I'm pretty sure I've seen bots with other prefixes using that kind of thing. So, I wonder how that happens. And, oh, whoops. Let's see. Slash command autocompletion. The benefit of using commands is that you can make it not appear in chat. You may also want some cooldowns on commands. That should be possible. Right? Let's look at the documentation. Documentation. Search for cooldown. Command.checks.cooldown. Decorator that adds a cooldown to a command. Let's see. Example. .checks.cooldown. I see. Can you let people type I am 18 and so you actually have to have a media little first? Yeah. I mean, yes and no. I have to mess with its permissions a bit. I can... You don't want to do it manually? Okay. Then we'll look into it. But first I'm doing this. So, look, it's, dot command, we go app commands dot checks dot cooldown. Alright? We're doing this first. And we'll just put this on all of them. Actually, we'll just finish one before we copy and paste that around, right? What is the key? Key is not provided in defaults to a user level cooldown. Function must take. Okay, we'll just. Oh, I see. 1 per 5 seconds per member. So that's what this one does. So we'll just do that, right? We'll just copy this one. And then instead of per member. Yeah, I think that's pretty common, Grace. At Discord. Like this then. Actually, do not want those commas there either. Then if I run this, right, and then we go here, and I go, alright. So that was supposed to make it wait 5 seconds. You know? Only... like that. Let's see. Discord dot interaction, huh? I do channel. Right. I do on ping equals channel. The song is such a vibe. I'm glad you think so. I'm meaning to get some other songs as well because for many months this has been the only one I put on repeat forever and ever. Let me see. So if I want channel, right, this one says lambda I. It gets stuck on your head and repeat. Yeah, I'm working on choosing some other ones to cycle through. Equals lambda I. Let me real. I'm too high for this to be anything else. That's so fun for you, I suppose. I and then colon I dot channel. More jokes is a grand idea. You sillies. I do like this. DC. In fact, maybe I even do this in bot nonsense instead. And we go. I wasn't sure, but I will have to go into channel settings and members, then RoboMade. Yeah, okay, so there's a RoboMade role, it looks like. Yeah, okay. So on this one, whoops. You edit this channel, edit permissions. And the RoboMade role. New channel. Messages. Let's try like this. Right. So it's supposed to prevent it from doing that, it's the thing. Right? It looks like instead of using just context.send, they use interaction, Discord interaction. Let's try that. Discord.interaction. And then it's the interaction.response.send message, right? And we'll just leave that on. Oh, how you been, Tomarder? Get you that. That's yours. Alright. How you doing? Hope you're well. What are you up to? And Pong is not found. What's that? Bring him home. Gonna stop it and start again. Finally playing a little more. I should sometime. Maybe not soon, but you know. The ball is down at the moment, Grace. Okay, what's up there? Okay. Context object has no attribute response, huh? Okay, so it could be that it's a little outdated. Gosh. Command on cooldown, huh? Good night. Yeah, good night, good night. Hope you have a good sleep. I'm gonna add this in. Right? All the way down here. Bot.error. And then on test error. Or just on error. And then let's see. I think it's instead just commands. Yeah, instead of app commands, it's just commands. And then the rest of this is good. Here it's command error instead of app command error. There it is. Alright, let's see about this. But error doesn't exist. It's not a great sign when the documentation is not correct. Okay, that's fine, I didn't need it anyway. Let's see. If I were to put up my other bot. Where's the wrong one? this one. So, I know one of these has a cooldown, right? As you can see how similar these are, maybe if I... Twitch bot. Or maybe I just search Susan. Game. Yeah. Discord.i. It could be a different command or a different package. Let's see. No. Discord.pi maybe. Pull down the command on Discord. One use per 30 seconds per user. Command it to be bucket type, okay. This is probably what we're after. Equals bucket type dot channel. Right, so this will be this should limit it to once per 5 seconds per channel. All right. So if we try this, takes 2. Okay, if I do key equals, then that seems to have worked. Then if we go in, darn. Alright. You guys are having fun there, I see. Okay. So, that didn't work, I'm noticing. I wonder if they did just app commands.cooldown, right? Maybe that's the thing. How old is RoboMade? I mean, it's a robot. Robots don't really have the same age situation. Maybe you shouldn't do commands on your feet in general. It's fine. I mean, obviously, what I'm trying to do right now is to limit the amount people can do at a time, right? Do we leave the bot or not? I mean, you can. That's up to you. If we look at the drawing I've been making, it is canonically made out of a mini fridge. So keep that in mind. I will come back to this drawing eventually, but honestly I like it the way it is a lot too. So, yeah. So... ignoring exception in command none, huh? Don't quite know what that means. I'm not... I see. Took me like a long time to read that. It's all one thing. I'm like, where are the spaces in that supposed to be? Really. This is definitely not the kind of robot that would be interesting to watch that for. That's a good reference for y'all. Let's see. So... command stuff. Channel. I wonder if that's instead of bot command. Let's find out. God, unexpected keyword argument. Okay, could be this. I'm gonna copy this like a smart person this time. Wondering why it was right than I remembered. I don't know what you're thinking there. Ping is not found. Ah, gotcha. At, maybe it's at bot.command .cooldown. Really function out of. Fair enough. Maybe it's like this. Okay, fair enough. Command stop cooldown. It should be like that, yeah? So maybe then, after that, it's we tried bot.command. Would be fair, right? And I did do that proper? Yeah. So we'll save there, like this. Let's see about this. Oops. Let me copy here. That seems to have done it. Yeah, okay. So now, copy this around. So the other decorator has to go above the command. So this limits it to once every 5 seconds. Awesome. And what do you guys want the good girl and bad girl ones to do? I might comment this one out for now, because we don't want to be uploading pictures very often at all, but we'll see how it goes. This one does require a bit of input. I can always ask later as well. Actually, if the ball is already returning, a counter would be neat. I guess. Oh yeah, on cooldown. Try to take a few iterations to find good bad girl. Bad girl command. You mean like the ones we like? Probably, right? I get that. I am gonna take my quick little 3-minute break. What I'm gonna say is think up. Bot commands, and then we're gonna pin this like so, and then I'll be right back. Alright. I'm back. Ba ba ba. So, let's see. Did we ever get some ideas for this? MicroGeos as a counter. I guess I can do a counter, right? I can just do... I feel like using just numbers for all the time is a little bit boring. But I mean, it's not bad, I suppose. The bot... You mean the counter for each of them? Not an overall counter? Fair enough, yeah. Uh-huh, on way soon. Absolutely, that's fine. In addition to whatever else it does. Yeah, so what I was thinking was... That's what I was thinking. The counter for the good girl and bad girl. The same way we have on stream. Right? Where it's +1 for a good and -1 for a bad. Only counting good versus bad so they cancel out. Yeah. So I put this here, then on good. Yeah, okay. And I will put in just above here. Plus equals 1. And minus equals 1. We're gonna CD per user. Wait, when you say CD per user and add milestones, what do you mean by that? Because it's possible to track each user's individual score if we're not doing them all for me, right? Everyone only gets one good or bad a day. Okay. Like, they can give out one, or they can only receive one. And... by CD, did you mean cooldowns? That way they mean something? No, I just... Oh, okay, just me? Okay. Okay. We need the democratically ratified good girl and bad girl tally for the statisticians. Yes, CD is cool. Gotcha. Okay. So I can easily change these to user, right? So that's per user. And then here in the cooldown API, or the documentation, it's the rate. So 1 per 5 seconds, right? And you say 1 per day. That's 86400. And that milestone's gonna have Discord events or something. Sure. One good or one bad. Yeah, so this would make it so that each user gets one every 86,400 seconds, which is 1 day. Technically, it will drift over time because of things like leap years, leap seconds, that sort of thing. But it won't matter to us. But what should the bot respond with? Maybe 23 hours? Okay. So people can keep it on a schedule. Maybe just 12 hours, huh? So it'd technically be twice a day? And I can even just put 2 every day? Like it rewards the game, uh-huh. I feel like putting 2 is easier. 2 every day. That way if they don't get it perfectly timed to be 24 hours exactly, they're not missing out on anything much. We say it's 1 per day, but really it's 2 per day. And, basically. Does that make sense? Am I making any sense? Am I nonsense? Makes sense to me. So what should it say when somebody redeems those? I have an idea here. Let's try. So I have Miss Shaman as a good girl, adjusting parameters. What do you want to hear when somebody says good girl? I don't know. Makes you feel bad. I don't know. Do we put it in character for the robot? Or do we put it out of character, but more fun? Using gacha game have reinforcement strategies on it. I don't think so. Have your roommate speak for you. Uh-huh. Let's see. I wonder. Here, I have a little fun. Trying to think of something. Let me see. Action response. Let me search for context. Commands, context, interaction context. Context of the interaction type is app command context. Attributes channel. Guild. This is. No. Okay, let's see. Discord.py, which you just sent. Author. Yeah, I wonder, it says comma author on that particular one. Here, we'll go like this maybe, or we'll try like this. Whoops. Whoops. Ah. Okay, that's gone all winky wonky. Let's try like this maybe. And we'll run. And we'll try like this. Okay. Author's required argument that is missing. Fair enough. Maybe it's context dot author. Right? Oops. Oops. Let's try this. Alright, what's this? Can't access local variable where it is not associated with the value. Gotcha. So we're gonna have to make sure this is a global. Zero. Then we'll make sure this is global. Alright. Let's try on all that. What's the issue now? Okie dokie. Unsupported operams member and string. So if I stringify that, well, hang on. Double check over here. Let's see, context, user ID, message. So if I do like that, maybe not. Author says that in. Let's see. Square.find message ID. Context.message.id or con. Okay, gotcha. Try this. Okay, so far so good. How do I steal big industrial fan from work? Fair enough. So what's wrong now? That's an integer, right? Okay. We'll cast it to a string. So that's good. The fact that it exists, right? Go like that. And what's people saying? Alright. We'll go back here. Like so. Plots online. Okay, and then if I say, since that didn't quite work, if I kind of copy Discord's ping message plus this plus this, how does this look for us? plus, and then close, and then big close. Alright. And then here, logging in, is online. At unknown user. Okay. So if I go and then I it's supposed to I'm trying to see what the Discord formatting looks like. Yeah, just use ID activate, okay? Wait. ID of the message, not the ID of the user. Gotcha. But I see now. Let's try user instead then. And in fact, let's try without ID first. Oh, thank you, Grace. Now if we try this again, good. For the first time, being the first time doing this, you're doing great. I mean, it's really similar to the Twitch bot, right? Really similar, which makes a lot of sense because they're basically the same thing. So it's not that I'm doing good, it's that it's easy. What was it? Context says no user. Gotcha. Are you proud? Well, okay. Well. Instead of user, then it would be author, maybe? Aha! Okay. Good, and it even uses the nickname. Or no, it doesn't use the nickname, it uses the username. That's fine. I wonder... Can a bot see server? Well, it won't matter much, but... Oh well. Yeah, it's context.author, okay. So we'll turn that off again. And then... I want to add in some error handling, right? That couldn't is not autocomplete by that doesn't seem like what I want. Did that already. Okay. So let's see. Let's search for errors. Right? Command.error. Criteria that registers the code as a local error handler. Okay. The local error handler is called whenever an exception is raised in the body command. Okay. Must take two parameters: the interaction and the error. Alright, parameters. Gotcha. So we can specify different things as different. We can register different I don't think we need that actually. I think we are looking for something else. Command.error. Is this the same thing? It is. Why did they list it twice? Command. Here, I'll just search broadly. Discord.py. Error handling. Right? So try accept, yeah. That does okay. But user is not a programmer. Instance functions. Yeah, it looks like .error. Or bot.error for us, since we didn't call ours foo. So if we do @bot.error. Alright, did they put parentheses on theirs? They didn't. Kinda odd to me. Async def. And then handle and then cpx and stop context and then error is command stop command error. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. If I pass for now, if I start the bot, bot has no attribute ever. Interesting. Then I see up here @bot.command, but then it's @foo.error. Means that maybe it's like that, you know? Maybe it's @commands.error. Errors? Sure. Whoops, didn't save. Bunch of objects not callable. Okay. Oh, I see how it is. I wonder if it's @bot.command.error. No. Let me see. It says @foo.error. So maybe we type, because I don't want to just do a specific one, I want to be if global handler, that's what we're after. Let's see. @bot.event. Gotcha. We'll start with this. Right. And then let me say if error is commands dot instead of command invoke error, we maybe see command not found. Exception raised when a command is attempted to be invoked but no command in the onion is found. Yeah, so that's what I want. We want that to print the error and do nothing else. We want to know maybe, but we don't necessarily care what it does. Then what else might go wrong? Oh, I know. Let's see, up here somewhere. Oh, music ran out. And we're back. Okay. So up here somewhere. Guess not up there. Darn. I will activate it again. Oops. At commands dot error. Oh, we didn't save. Alright. Then we will go. Does this pull up an error? It doesn't. Okay. So that's fine. Guess we don't really have much that could cause errors at the moment. Whew. Well, let's see. No, no, no. Or rather, not exactly. It's not quite EP. Maybe a little, but not much. Trying to decide what to do. I think because we basically got all the commands we had in mind working, right? Didn't think you'd get this far this quickly. Yeah, me neither. So, the reason I had such difficulty before is because I was thinking of starting it on a server, right? Also, I didn't know that it had a Python package. I should have guessed that there would be, but I assumed I'd have to figure out Node.js for it. So the fact that it has a Python thing made it easier. Also, the fact that it's exactly the same as Twitch is easier. I mean, not exactly the same, but it's really similar to Twitch, it makes it easier. So it's just an easy thing to do, you know? I'd be happy to help someone else do it. The only thing left is to make sure that it actually can run on server. Ideas will trickle in as people come up with them. That's very true, that's very true. I don't mind dragging the stream out for another little, like, half hour or so. Just so we can get it to 2 hours, which is, like, my personal minimum. Mostly new original, we can't come up with things on the spot. Yeah, I understand. But, you know, if I could... The last thing I want to know about is hosting, right? I want to know about Python hosting. I was trying to forward Python in the cloud. It started for free, it says. By Anaconda. I think I tried looking at them before. Follow for Sam Fisher Rock every day. Oh yeah, you saw that? Yeah. I just like seeing this on Tumblr. They're a favorite of mine. Upgrades, so... Let's see. You don't really like that rock? Well, it's the same one every day, unfortunately. Maybe if you don't like it, you can wait till tomorrow. You really like that rock? Hang on a second. Probably tastes good. Yeah. I might look into this in a bit. I don't need a website necessarily. But this does start for free. And start at $5 a month after that. So we can at least look into it, right? I will look into it. So in less than a minute. I'm gonna see about making an account real quick. You're gonna have free limited account with one web app at your username pythonanywhere.com. Restricted outbound internet access from your apps. Low CPU bandwidth. No IPython Jupyter notebook support. Okay, we'll try it. If you want to be annoying, could make the bot post all your Blue Sky posts. There's already existing bots that do that, and I'd put it in a dedicated channel anyway, so people could just mute it, you know? And I also just don't post on Blue Sky all the time, so. I can show you guys an example. I don't know, maybe I can find out what bot it's called on Reki's server. It's... Let's see. Here, yeah. Reki just has a channel. Making fun of people who have bought that post everything like 16 times. Ah, I see, I see. Let's see. Oh. Username can only contain those numbers. Okay. Let's see. What's there? Confirmation link. Alright. I should click mail. This is just gonna take a second. It's looking at stuff you guys can't see at the moment. So, click here. Okay. Now, unfortunately, I don't think I should. Computer Magic, yeah, I don't think I should show you guys this just in case it has sensitive things I haven't found yet. 7 steps, consoles, and type commands to see the results. Python consoles can run Python and Bash, I suppose. On that program, you'll need a file to store it. Notebooks or web apps, you can create websites. Python Anywhere, click open web tab, open to top up. Paid Python Anywhere accounts can create Jupyter notebooks. Okay. Dashboard tabs take you to separate pages where you can see more details about these things. I want to end the tour. So I'm curious, can I here, whoops. There's a readme.txt. Files. file. Here, let me see. How to set the secret manager. Unfortunately, like, it is really unfortunate I can't show you guys this, but yeah. Environment variable. Gotcha. So, .env. Gotcha. Okie dokie. I'm gonna bring this over here as well. I can make this. And I can... did Twitch release React combos and then remove them within 2 weeks? I haven't seen them anyway since the day they announced them. I don't know what React combos are. I never heard of them, unfortunately. So, files tab. And file. Oh, gotcha. .env for environment variables. Okie dokie. So we have that now. And then over here, let's try here. Okay, link above to Splashworks. Okay. You know, being mod when I have no idea how Twitch or Discord or socializing works. You're doing great, I think, guys. I think you do good as a mod. You're helpful. That's all I need. Install. Yeah, okay, so we go. Pip install Python.env. Okie dokie, good enough for me. Pip 3 points. Okay, let's try this one to make sure. Whoops. Backspace some of these things here. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, okay, let's see. Open the web tab. Good morning, Destroyer. The unfortunate part is I can't really show you guys a lot of what I'm doing right now. In fact, I honestly might as well put Discord over here, right? Or not Discord, Twitch over here so I can see this without having to click back and forth all the time. It's just, you know, I can't, it's sensitive information, so we have web. Yeah, it's a web app. It doesn't support this. Okay. Enough. We're going to work with Flask, I think. Hey life. Good morning. Yes, good morning. I think just the newest one is fine. Enter Python file you wish to hold your... Okie. So that'll be fine. Click on the link to your WSGI file. Right, disabled. Ah, gotcha. Send you an email before, okay. You did? Awesome. I'm surprised how far the plan. Let me find my WSGI file. And then we want import OS. This is all familiar to me because I've done these things before. With my, I actually built a Flask app before, which means I have experience doing what I'm doing right now. It's just I really can't show you guys a ton of this, just in case it happens to have sensitive information. Hopefully it doesn't, but I really don't want to take the risk, right? That would be tragic. Yeah. Oh. Project folder equals here. Let me duplicate this tab really quickly. Absolutely, like, you guys can absolutely just tell me if you have more ideas right now. Because, like I said, it might take a bit, you know? Oh. Right. So, you have ideas but not for here? Okay, okay. Then you'll just have to tell me them later, I guess. If they're for the bot, that is. So then go here. .env, there, save it. Go back. .env fresh. Okie dokie. Then we go back in here, I suppose. Then project home is /my site, which is correct. Okie dokie. From a Flask app, import app as application. Then we have project folder. We'll go like this. And then load.env. Right, because project folder. Just add a slash in here, just in case. Let's see right here. Undefined name project. Oh, I see. So we're gonna name that project home. And then so the Django secret keys. Then we will say secret token equals os.env. Or maybe that, since this is WSGI, I save this here. Right, and then you add this to your settings.py. Okay, mine's technically different, but it'll be fine. Flaskapp.py. Alright, we're going to say. So it should be alright to show you guys some stuff now. Gonna hopefully not die from this. Alright, oh, thank you guys. So what we have here is just like the beginnings of a Flask project. And actually, I might... Hang on a second. Let's bring that over there. I might actually still have the files from my previous bot project that I used Flask for, which would save a lot of time. Because then I could... Is this for font size for ants? No, it's just, it's readable for me. It's just less readable for y'all, you know? Cause I can zoom in absolutely though. If it helps you. Guys are young, if I open up my previous... I'm so glad that my other, experience with Flask is helping out here, cause... Yeah, okay. So, there's a lot of stuff there. Let's see. A lot of imports, a lot of this, a lot of that. But I want to find os.environ.get, huh? And you have some fun emotes, I see. Lockville, you how. Also, I see this is your first time. I hope you have a nice time here. Yeah. So you see, this is the Twitch bot I wrote, right? These 300 odd lines. This is a Twitch one I wrote a while ago. I might actually be able to put it up here now that I think about it, if I wanted to. I might not, just because I have Twitch things that work instead. About the font size I have in my editor and terminal permanently. Really want me to relax my eyes while staring at text for hours. Yeah, I get that. I just never really bother to edit these things. Trying to find, though. So it's... make sure we have import OS. Right? And then we want secret token equals os dot get secret token. And let me double check. Right, so the WSGI file should be, whoops. WSGI file should be loading the .env into the environment variables, right? I can't exactly just have it print the secret token, that just wouldn't be a good idea. But, all we need to do now, or hopefully, all we need to do now, will be to, take all the things that we programmed before, right? And just put them in there. You know? Technically, it'll do things, but I don't need it to so much. And then, down here, we had a secret text before, but now instead we're going to say bot.run with token. Save it. Then, not a big fan of this bar. Don't quite know what that's about. So, let's see, yeah. I'm gonna put this input at the top. I'm gonna zoom back out really quickly so I can try and figure out what this bar here is about. I have no idea what it's doing in the middle of my screen. Let's see though. So, just so you know, Mr. Menta's brother turned 18, not got 18. Gotcha. Gotcha. That's what I thought at first, but then other people's reaction made me think that something had gone awry horribly, and maybe it was just me. Well, you sure confused me, huh? It's fine though, as long as they're having a good day, you know? Yeah, my bad. Yeah, that's no worries. I do more than yeah. Can I run this? Is that a thing I can do? Now what happens? Starting execution environment. Beep beep boop beep beep boop boop. No module. Yeah, I forgot to install. I forgot to install Discord. WSGI also doesn't actually have the secrets in it, which is good. Let me see. What I need is a console. Alright, use this one then. And in it we will go, pip install Discord. Hi! Hey Chloe! We're getting the Discord packages here onto this little web server. Right? Not? That's not Chloe? That's someone else? No, oh, I understand. You did not mean the question mark. Or at least I think that's what you're saying. We run it now, though. Oops. If we save here, refresh the page. Oh, thank. Thank you. I click the run now. You hit me. We'll just close this one. Right, and then we'll go back. And then we'll go web. And then... Jeez, everyone. Really. Go to directory. Then... Fastgap.py. Then we click run. Reload it. Yeah, you don't have anything. I guess now I just try it, right? I didn't think so. I'm confused with it. So maybe the problem is that it's a Flask thing and it's not running like a Flask thing. You need to hug someone? I don't think so. Maybe? What if I've done it wrong and it shouldn't be a web app in this particular sense? We have an error log? We're being silly? Oh, okay. Nothing here. Did you play Cult of Lamb or something while I switched telling you? Oh, that shouldn't be there. It shouldn't show you that unless we have that as the current stream. I did play it recently. But... Saturday is called day. Sure is, sure. Let me see. So if I just like went there, right, to the website, would that run it? Sacrifice. No, Grace, you begged me to sacrifice you. Don't forget that. Human underscore. Alright, here, let's try. Good. Something went wrong. Sure. And then we check the logs. Error log. Nothing. Access log. Let's see. Like that. Server log. Because here's the thing, I don't need it to be a website necessarily. But that does seem like how it's going to be. The thing is, I don't want to have to do all the work. Right? I want to be able to use Discord thing. So I wonder can I delete this one? I can't. We'll delete this. I don't want to do all the work. Because the thing is, if you look over here, right? I did the work once. I know what it's like. I spent so long looking at the Twitch documentation for OAuth 2 actually, and I'm like, I just care about the model. Oh, the model. Like, I've done this kind of thing before. I've done all the development that it took. I actually made, like, a proper HTML web server or a web app. Python. I used Flask, JavaScript, HTML. I did all that ages ago, and I didn't like it. So we're gonna look at files, maybe. So let me see about Python anywhere. Just run. To run a file. Main.py, add mode to and run. Let's just try that, right? Let's start with that. Now we're going to edit, maybe? Then instead of importing Flask, we will simply not do that. Right? And then we will close all this. And then it says import. Redefinition of Discord line. Gotcha, don't need those. Run. Did it work or did it not work? Show me. Console. Whoops. Fastcat.py. Python 3 main.py. Fastcat.py. No, darn it. What's your favorite little treat? Oh, that's a hard thing to say for sure. I like chocolate a lot. So, pretty much any chocolate, probably. Python 3 made.py, Python anywhere. How to, make web app, essentially. Got it. So, you can see this. Create an app by going to web, add new web page. I guess it has to be, huh? Guess it has to be that. I mean, I guess it would have to be because it wouldn't make sense if it wasn't, right? Next. What if we just manual configuration? No, let's just use Flask like we had before. We will call it made.py because I liked that. So, let's see. Let's see. Yahoo! Yippee! Yeah? Tricky. You go to the directory. Edit here. Control C. Go back. And get rid of this one. I don't even know what you're working. It's the same thing, Grace. It's just that it's a little complex. Yeah. Because what I'm trying to do is make it so that the bot will always be running, right? And the way to do that is to make it on a web server, right? Not my local computer where I have to keep my computer on and stuff. So what I'm trying to do is make it a web app because things on the internet need to have like a URL basically attached to them to tell resources where they're coming from and where they go, right? So wait, before it was running on your computer? Yeah. My Twitch bot is running on my computer. You can see the output here. It's just called nowebhookbot.py because the alternative is the webhook bot here, which you can tell it was made with Flask and it's a lot more complicated because I couldn't figure out how to make my web server at the time use the Twitch.io libraries, which would have made it much easier. So instead, I did it myself. This is a lot of trouble. I could always run it locally. My computer stays on most times. Mine does too. But this is free, and it would be really cool to learn. So, I'm not so worried about it being tricky. Okay. And if it costs money, it's not that much money. So, I want to save. Then console limit reached. Oh, gotcha. Put some consoles on your console page. Oh, it's free? That's cool. Yeah, it is. It's called pythonanywhere.com. It says it's free. It's probably a money-making scheme anyway. But it's working for right now. That's the important part. We can, yeah, we're going to go here and... It's fine, good. Thank you, Grace. We will close this one. Right. Okay. Can go back. I could also put my Twitch bot on it if I wanted. Right? That would be just fine too. I'm pretty sure it would be able to do both, which would be cool. We run this file maybe. Looks like it's loading up there. Is it running? I don't know. We'll just have to see. Preparing execution environment. Loading interpreter. Any errors? Oh, okay. The trick making a Telegram bot, but I only ever ran it on my computer, which is fine because I was the one using it. Yeah. That's what I do with my Twitch one. Let's see. Secret token. Token to be a string. Okay. Check this out. What if I told it to pretend it's a string? Cannot connect from there to here. Alright. Okay. Let that run with the secret token. Oh, share connect call failed. Logging in using connect token. I might have to go look around on this one. Right? Figuring around in my Discord stuff. Trying to figure out exactly what gonna leave that not sure. So if I look at this error again, right? You're gonna start pretending to work for Twitch and get you called an industry plant. People will hate watch you, and then you can just beat you until the haters leave on their own state. You know what? That sounds like a terrible idea. I would not like that, I think. But if we look at this error, we see, so when it tries to run the bot, it's evil and unhappy. Let's see. So, connect call failed. If I just like try it again. Right, okay, so that did not help. Okay. 443, hang on. Because 443 sounds like a specific one. Oh, I guess it's not. Maybe it's a specific Discord thing. Discord uses port 443, okay. Got you, so that's the port, not the error. Or not the, yeah. No, I was right. It's not the HTTP error code. I'm not worried about this IP address being visible on screen because that's not my IP address. That's the web server's IP address. That's another benefit of using a web server, is that the IP address does not point to me. Oh no, it's mine. So, or maybe this is the Discord one that it's trying to connect on. Yeah, it is. Cannot connect. Here. Let's try copying this part. So AIL initiate on plus CMV equals true when creating the account. In whitelist. Here, let me see about the searching. If anyone's done this before. Normal Discord.py library won't work inside free accounts. Free accounts need to use a proxy server, which we provide, to access other sites, and that library won't work with proxy. Gotcha. So, really quickly, I need to, at least to see if I like it, right? I need to try upgrading the account. Otherwise it won't work. Because of the way they proxy things, proxy requests, it makes sense. And, hopefully, I'll have to see. Yeah, run Python code and code with yeah. One web workers. Yeah, just good. Okay, let's just try this, right? Let's just try this. Here, and if I ever solve my modem problems, you are free to use my box. Trying to get to 16 terabyte. Or modem problem, you said, not modern. Trying to get to 16 terabytes eventually. That's a lot and a half, huh? Alright, so we're going to go. Okie dokie. It's your media server, I see. But yeah, I'm just doing this. Hopefully this will do the thing that I'm after, right? It's a good thing they had forums. Interpret. You upgrade to unrestricted internet access from your cloud. This will only apply to newly created consoles. Gotcha. Okay. There you go. Consoles, we're gonna close this one. Alright. Now I want to go to web. See if this works. You can see there's more graphs here because we are paying for this now. Evil and intimidating modem. Yeah, I paid $5. I'll probably run this. Setting encryption. It might not work right away. I might have to do another couple things. In fact, bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Improper token in the past. Okay. Oh, hi. Thanks, Sharky. That's a good error to get, though, because that means it got all the way there to Discord to try and verify that token, right? And because we know that the error, or because we know that the token should be correct in Discord, oh, not in Discord, in the .dnb file, then the problem is something about the way, whoops. So, all errors are good as long as you understand why. Yeah. So, it's just that I would really like to just print the secret key. It's a terrible idea, especially on this game, but I want to try just printing the secret key, and I'm not going to show you guys, obviously. I'm going to just print the secret key really quickly so I can see what it is printing, so I can compare that to what I want to print, right? It's a terrible idea, though. And you should never do it. That's the most important thing for everyone to understand, is that I'm doing a terrible thing. You should never. Let's see. None. Okay, yeah. That would do it. So, instead, the secret token is giving us nothing. Cool. I think I get it. Because our WSGI doesn't do anything, does it? Or would like to see the secret key to do crimes with. No, no, no. So let me see. Let's see. Configuring QSPI. App equals. Do I even? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so I have that there. Oh wait, no, we have all that, okay. So it is... I could... but not money. I don't know how you kind of... I don't know. Oh wait, hang on. You're saying more. I need to know what all the conversation is. You're so silly, both of you. In your WSGI. Alright, so these should be fine. Unless it's not os.invite on it. Is it okay? That's not okay. Gotcha, yeah. Well, I don't know if we even need that. I don't even know if we need an app.run, right? Right, we don't. Were you talking to me there, Grace? Sorry, I think... Oh... I'm a little bit distracted. Trying to look at code. You know? Woo woo. You guys confused with me? I can't believe that as confused as me is a thing. Alright, so, yay, confusion. Yeah? What I need is actually web. Go to directory. You know what's going on either? We'll use anything except metric. Oh, there's no WSGI. What do you know? Thought there was. Any WSGI. Is there already a WSGI that should exist? I don't see one. Fusion is now officially measured in MIMS. Alright. Let me see. I need a WSGI though. Dashboard maybe? Oh, never mind. I found it. Wait button used. You love my soft skin, boy, your fingernails make my skin millimim. And so... Sillies, both of you. You both of you. So we have this WSGI. We need sequence the last section uncommon to make it look like that. Variable application is WSGI handler of some script. Gotcha. Do not use app.run. Yeah. Squidbot website. Where was you have injectable PS? Oh, huh, what do you know? An oxytocin. Interesting. .env. WSGI. I really wish that I could show you guys more of this, but it is unfortunately, like, difficult, you know? What's that for? Right. Import .env. And, I should be importing .env. I guess I might not need them there. Here, let's try Python anyway. And then variables. Okay. Let's see. WSGI from .env import load.env. Alright. Then, project folder, it should be fine. Then load.env as such. Okay. Save it, and your code will not have access to the variable. Okay, so what's this? Undefined. Oh. outside project folder. Let's do project home. Okay, that's cleared those errors. And we'll refresh this page. Right. So that should be those things done, possibly. Like that. That was part of the plan in case it ever got that bad. Gotcha. I really hope it doesn't. No source I could. I did call it token, didn't I? Must have done. And I did import it proper. Okay, let's just try. I've got to. That's saved, I think. Oh, it's a source, of course. silly. That's WSGI. What I needed was in consoles to just reset this. That could show up again. Right. Let's see if this works. Darn it. Improper token. Someone who will probably have a qualifying course for at least the next few years. Gotcha. Okay, so improper token, huh? Improper token. Get in, maybe? Import OS. And then os.getIn. Choose a token, maybe this instead. Try running. Improper token is still. Oh, because pregnant horses have like a really high concentration of estrogen in their urine. It's one of those things where you think it's a well-known fact until someone goes, "What the heck are you talking about?" Yeah, darn. So gonna go call on her drive now. Yippee! You may get something tomorrow? I don't quite know what you mean by that. Oh. Yeah, I have to go and double check on the .env. Still do not have enough measurements. Awesome. Works for me. I will look at files maybe. My site here. Secret token, that's that. Oh gosh. How did I do it in my Flask app? It was actually Flask. It was os.environ.get, huh? Bye, Grace. Oh. Do you suppose that it variable available to it if we put in at the bottom if name equals main run. Because what if what if the problem is this? Um, 4000 is in use. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to call it for now as well. I don't really know what to do at the moment. I'll figure it out tomorrow when I'm more awake and have more time. But, you know, a couple things make me want to end the stream now. So, and make sure it's disabled just in case. Right? Make sense? Yeah. We're going to raid out. Put you guys back over here. Alright, because might as well. It was a nice stream. I'm glad you thought so. It was really just talking a lot, right? Talking a lot of shit. But you know, that's nice sometimes, so I'm not too upset. Let's see who we're following. We can go into Doll, maybe. Oh no, we can go into Kitsukuma. They're playing Barony. Yay, good night. So yeah, going into them. I'll see you guys next time. Tomorrow, we can even check our schedule. Here, tomorrow, it looks like is Inscription. Should be fun. Should be fun. We're getting close to the end of that one. Bye!